Which is the most populated state in India? Uttar Pradesh. Which festival celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters in India? Raksha Bandhan. Which mountain peak is the highest in India? Kanchenjunga. Which monument in Hyderabad has 4 tall towers? Charminar. Where does the President of India live? Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who wrote poems and songs and also won the Nobel Prize in Literature? Rabindranath Tagore. What do we sing on Independence Day? Jana Gana Mana. What is the name of the wheel on our flag? Ashoka Chakra. What do we feel on Independence Day? Proud. What do we remember on Independence Day? Freedom fighters.